Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix another program is being installed. Please wait until that installation is complete here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's start. The very first step is you need to press Windows and R key together to open the small window called Run. Here, please type for msconfig and then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you've click on it, just have to wait until a new window, which is system configuration, will appear here at our screen. Proceed on services, okay? And select on disable all. Enable all first, and then go with the hide all Microsoft services first. Then go with disable all, and then click on apply, and then okay. Okay? Once you're done, you need to proceed to our next step. Okay, so our next step is here at the keyboard again, press Windows and R key together, and this time please type for services dot msc and then click on OK to proceed. So the moment you've click on it, just have to wait until a new window called services will appear. Here you need to scroll down and look for Windows Installer. Just have to scroll down until you find it. So I can see it here next to Windows Insider Service. Just have to do a right click, okay? And here you need to go with Properties, okay? And you need to click on Start, okay? So once you have the click on it, just have to go with OK and then close this window. And then you need to restart your computer to take all the actions into effect. To have any changes on the actions that we have just performed. Okay. So once you're done and once you have relaunched your Windows again, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. You can now try to install install the software that can't be installed earlier. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.